about how to build up your body with nutrients, how to build up your body to look rejuvenated, to look 20, 30, 10 years younger than your age, because it is very possible. So stay tuned for the next clip. Hello, okay, my girl friends, Clarissa here. I am back with more anti-aging for you, sending my hug of gratitude. Welcome new subscribers. And this video, it's going to be about how to build up your body, how to regenerate the body with nutrients, and because the body degrades, your nutrients degrades, the nutrients that you were born with degrades, so we need to replace them. We need to be attentive, because when we let our bodies go and not taking anything whatsoever, it could cause premature aging. The aging process will be much more rapid, and so I am going to give you some tips in this video. That way you will understand that the body is able to regenerate. All depends on when you start, but the body regenerates at any age. But if you start earlier, then your youthful looks will be more notorious. And so I started when I was a baby. My parents really took care of me with so many nutrients and homeopathic medicine. They were pretty much involved in what nutrition was, and so it's not just the nutrients but also a physical workout, because a physical workout will create the stimulation of your good endorphins. It will create those endorphins to be active in order to stimulate your own growth hormone, and having the stimulation of growth hormone in your body, it's going to keep you looking youthful. And so I had made a video about growth hormone. I am pretty much into what is growth hormone and hormones that naturally the woman has, like progesterone, estrogen, pregnenolone, DHEA. All those hormones are very necessary to maintain your youthful looks. So I had explained in my other videos that I had started very early, taking hormones, actually stimulating hormones, the progesterone, estrogen, DHEA, pregnenolone, and testosterone as well. Testosterone, you need a little bit as a woman. Testosterone will prevent muscle to degrade and get weak. So when women are lacking testosterone, usually they are more prone to sag, because the muscle in the body face gets really weak. And estrogen, like I mentioned, it is responsible for preserving the collagen. And so now if you want to maintain your health and not just look youthful, it is very necessary that you get involved in taking nutrients, and that will prevent rapid aging process. My big thing is also antioxidants. Antioxidants, and that helps to fight those free radicals, neutralize those free radicals. I made a video about chaga. Chaga is one of the most potent antioxidants that you could find on earth. Chaga is incredible rejuvenating. It's called the the mushroom of youth. I made a video about that, so I think it's titled the mushroom of youth. So I will put the link so you can go and watch it. And so there are other antioxidants, and they are very necessary for cell regeneration. Another thing that I want to emphasize is your mitochondria. Your mitochondria is the powerhouse of your nutrients. If the mitochondria is degrading, you're going to age no matter what. It's going to affect your DNA. A good DNA is what also keep us with good activity of the telomeres, because the telomeres will degrade as well. The telomeres at the end of the telomeres, it looks like shoelaces. So those shoelaces start like degrading, getting shorter, and that's when the aging process becomes much more emphasized. And so taking nutrients to enhance the mitochondria will be an awesome thing. For example, a product called NAD, which usually comes from vitamin B3. B3 has naturally the nicotinic acid that helps with the telomeres and your DNA. And so NAD, you could take it up to 500 mgs. If you cannot afford taking NAD, then take vitamin B3. I take vitamin B3 about 1,000 mgs daily. The vitamin B3, did I say AD? I'm sorry. The vitamin B3, what it does is recycles your blood. You're going to flush. So when you're recycling the blood, you're rejuvenating because new blood is being pumped. And the good source of the nicotinic acid will help with the telomeres. It will help to maintain your body more active. It will help with your nerves. It's a fantastic vitamin that helps with the nerves. And the niacinamide also, it's another form of B3. I take that at night time because it helps me to sleep. Okay, so niacinamide is the miracle vitamin. I take it at night time, like I said, to help me sleep. I take very large amounts. I take like about 2,000 to 4,000 mgs. I buy it in a powder from my company. It is Macronized. So also vitamin B3, niacin and niacinamide, it's a non-flushing. So both of them are vitamin B3, except the one flushes and the other one doesn't. So niacinamide also helps with severe anxiety, and it's the miracle vitamin because it does so much for the body, has so many benefits, and especially for your skin. When you see a person that has a beautiful skin, obviously that person is taking good amounts of vitamin B3, niacinamide or niacin. It helps with the stimulation of collagen, and the vitamin B3 niacinamide, also you could use it externally, but I'm not saying that the supplementation to use it internally. You could use it on your skin externally. The one that you could use it externally is the cosmeceutical niacinamide. So be attentive to that, because you don't want to put whatever is designed to take it internally as a vitamin, because you could have a serious reaction. And so I know there are other nutrients that help to slow down the aging process, nutrients that are supposed to be taking some of them on empty stomach, and I will talk about that in a different video, because not all vitamins or all herbs or all whole foods are supposed to be taken on empty stomach, but the majority are. So the majority of the whole foods and some of the herbs, and so I may need to do a separate video about that. So in the next clip I am going to give you another information about the maintenance of your body, how to maintain the body to the maximum, rejuvenated, and being able to be very active at your old age, because there's no reason to be sitting down without doing nothing just because you get old. That is a terrible reason. You always need to be active. The more active you are, the more younger you will look, because like I said, those endorphins, those natural serotonins and dopamine and all those neurotransmitters are being activated in order to stimulate growth hormone. So the next clip you will find other information. We have to consider when the body is aging, we have to have the maximum care. That is, if you want to look younger than your natural age, not just younger than your natural age, but a healthy body. So one factor that is very important, it is to maintain the stimulation of growth hormone by the use of amino acids and body workouts and facial workouts. So the muscles are composed of 75% of water and 30% of protein. So when you ingest protein, then the body breaks down the protein into a specific amino acids. And so there are amino acids that I'm going to mention in a few minutes that will help you stimulate your own growth hormone. And even better, when you take it during workout. The body is composed of 80 amino acids. The body utilizes 20 amino acids. Out of those 20 amino acids, 11 amino acids are non-essential. It does not mean they are not important. It means that the body makes it on its own. And the remaining 9 amino acids are the ones that you have to supplement because the body does not make it. And so the amino acids that I'm going to mention for the production of growth hormone, it is L-arginine, L-orthanine, L-GABA, also L-lysine, and glutamine. There are others that also will help with the release of growth hormone, but the most important ones to take it, especially at nighttime, for the production of growth hormone and helping you to lose weight, it is L-arginine and L-orthanine. So usually comes in capsules, the two forms of amino acids, the L-arginine and L-orthanine. So you take it like about 2 hours after dinner. Amino acids cannot be taken on a stomach that is full. It has to be on empty stomach. That way the absorption will be to the maximum. So aging is a process that it really needs to pay attention. Some people, I have some comments that people say to me, why do you worry about not aging? The thing is that it's not that I worry, it's that I want to be healthy. So when I get older, when I am in my 80s, 90s, I'll be healthy. I won't be suffering with illnesses that usually occur with people that have not taken care of their bodies. And so another thing that is very good to maintain the body very healthy, it is applying sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil helps with the elasticity of the skin, helps with the stimulation of the protein fiber called elastin. So when you massage your whole body with sesame seed oil, even your face, before you take a shower, but the trick is this, that you massage it as long as you can with the sesame seed oil, and make sure it's organic. So after you massage the body with this oil, then a skin brush. So the reason I said to apply the oil before the skin brush is because the body is very mature, and any type of exfoliation, you need to have some kind of a oil in order to exfoliate the skin. And so this therapy, if you do it every day, you're going to experience a lot of rejuvenation. Using the brush to exfoliate your skin together with the sesame seed oil, it is very rejuvenating for the body. It's going to also stimulate some growth hormone, because the body is being stimulated, and as well your blood is being stimulated, and therefore oxygenation takes place. And so the more oxygenation the body has through massaging, to exfoliation, to workout, the body is going to be more elastic. You know, when it comes to anti-aging care, holistic anti-aging care, there are so many factors to consider. It's not just the external, but also the internal, and the way you sleep, having the proper pillow to sleep, it's very important. That way your spine will be aligned in order to have a deep sleep. Watch my video about the Omni pillow glow. That's a wonderful pillow. It gives you a very deep sleep, and because the way it's made affects the spine in a good way, your brain will be able to rest better. Without sleep, your cells will deeply dehydrate. I had a comment, why do I have dry mouth? Dry mouth is the result of a dehydrated body. And so when you don't sleep properly, your body cells will eventually get destroyed. The body cells get dehydrated as the same way of an alcoholic, because taking alcohol dehydrates your cells. I say in many videos, this is my phrase all the time, the body has the ability to regenerate no matter at what age you start. But of course, you have to keep in mind the age. If you start when you are 40s, or when you start when you're 60s, the results are going to be a little different. When you start in your 40s, you're going to regenerate, better. And when you're in your 60s, you're going to regenerate slower, but you will regenerate. And so, and it is very possible to keep yourself looking younger. I say 30, 20 years younger, 10 years younger, without the plastic surgery. It's just all matter of how you take care of your body. And keep in mind that I have been into the advanced nutrition since I have been a little baby due to my parents. So since I was a little baby, I was taken care of from my parents with all the nutrition and the necessary nutrition and vitamins, and so that makes a big difference. So it had given me a long-term benefit, and so eventually that came to me as a passion to start my profession. And so that's why I make these videos to help you with advanced anti-aging information. So and you take care, and don't give up. Keep running the race, my girls, and with the help of God, you can do it.